So guys, it's winter, okay? If you have a heater and the igniter is broken, don't throw the heater away. You can ignite the flame on your own. All you have to do, of course, is you are going to open the gas from the back, turn the knob to the first level, get matches, light the match, hold the knob down, and there you have a working heater. But for precaution, when you'll be using this, because you ignited the flame yourself, you have to always make sure that the gas is closed, otherwise the flame will not stop burning. So happy winter.